Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of our C programming series. Today's topic is extremely important input and output in C. In this section, we will understand how to display information using printf function, how to take input using scanf function, and the rules that make them work properly. Let's begin. Every program, tiny or massive, starts from this exact frame. Memorizing it now prevents structural errors later. In preprocess zone, it brings in essential tools like printf from the libraries. Main function brings in house executions, then executable statements, the mandatory entry point. Return statement closes the process, signaling success 0 or an error to OS. Execution always flows from the top to the bottom, one statement at a time. Lines written with hash are handled before compilation. They give your program access to pre-written functions. Hash include copies the standard input-output library into your source, granting access to printf and scanf. Other common tools you will meet are Other common toolboxes you will meet are mat.h for mat functions, string.h for string functions, conio.h for console input-output operations. This is where the operating system transfers control to start your program. It's not optional. Every C program must have a main function. The int return type is a status code. Returning 0 tells the OS your program finished successfully. Before you can use a variable, you must declare it. This reserves memory and labels it for the program to use. In older C standards, all declaration must be at the top of a block. Mixing them with the executable statements is not allowed. This is where the real work happens. Execution flows sequentially, one statement at a time. First, assign values. Values are placed into the reserved memory boxes. Second, perform logic. Calculations and operations are executed. Third, produce output. Results are displayed or returned. Putting it all together, a ready to run program that demonstrates the full structure. Understanding this pipeline helps you locate errors from syntax mistakes to linker issues. First, preprocessing. Second, compilation. Third, linking. Fourth, execution. Let's wrap up with a fast recap. C was created in 1972, same year Pong was invented. C acts like a Swiss Army knife, one language, many uses. Think of a C program like a recipe, ingredient first, then cooking. C is everywhere, even in airbags and Mars rovers. Hello World was your first step, now you are handling input outputs too. In part 5, we will explore operators in C like arithmetic, relational, logical, and more. If you found today's section helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in part 5.